welcome to the video. I'm Karen. Welcome to a full day of eating with me. What you just saw in the intro is my breakfast turkey burger, which I love to make. Turkey burger with cheese and egg. Egg makes it a breakfast, right? So, I'll be posting the macros. I count macros, which are carbs, protein, and fats. It'll be posted with every meal. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, and let's eat. Here's the macros for the turkey breakfast burger. 50 protein, 33 carbs, and 16 fats. Some of you guys are like, wow, that's not bad at all compared to a lot of other burgers. And that brings me to tip number 1 of healthy eating habits or better eating habits: reading and comparing nutrition facts. Right here I have the turkey burger patty that I use right next to another brand, which I'm not going to mention what it is, and then you can see like the significance in the fats. This other brand is 4 times more fat than the turkey burger, and that's just a little change, just reading the nutrition facts. So here's the recipe though. So here are the ingredients here. Take a screenshot, save it for later. Maybe you want to try making it yourself. And then here are the instructions. Super easy recipe, guys. Take a screenshot of this, save it for later, cook it later. Let me know if you guys cook it. Let me know how it tastes for y'all. So that is the turkey breakfast burger, guys. So after eating the burger, I decided to have some snacks: an apple and a yogurt. These are regular snacks for me. And here are the macros. Haha. But with snacking, it brings me to tip number 2, portion control. I know a lot of us, when we snack, we tend to just have the bag with us and eat, or just keep eating without, really looking at how much we're eating. I have a scale. I actually weigh my food, and the more you do it, you'll learn to guesstimate it by just looking at it, which will make life easier. Weighing your food before you eat it. You can bag them up separately, so it's easy to grab and go, and you know that it's the right portion. Okay guys, so we just got up from a nap. Brady came home while I was eating my yogurt and an apple, and we took a nap after I finished, so. But right now I'm back in the kitchen, and we're gonna make shrimp and crab. I'm gonna put it in a hoagie bun, and yeah. Okay, so I put Brady's shrimp and crab in a hoagie with Old Bay, and it was like a butter garlic shrimp kind of thing. But for mine, I'm gonna put mine with rice. So like a fried rice, it's gonna be like a lemon garlic fried rice with shrimp and crab. So variety, guys.
beat, boy.
Alright guys, so here are the macros for the shrimp and crab fried rice, as well as the shrimp and crab hoagie. I like to cook different things in different ways using different seasonings and everything. A lot of times I cook for myself and I cook for Brady. Sometimes I'll like use the same ingredients and everything, but then I'll make it in a different way. For example, this shrimp and crab fried rice versus shrimp and crab hoagie. This leads me to tip number 3, guys, variety. I know some people are like, yeah, I get so tired of eating chicken and broccoli. Well, that's not all you need to eat, and you don't have to eat it in one way. That's why, for me, I love variety. A lot of people don't like to think about it. They just like, oh, it's easy to just keep doing the same thing over and over again. But for me, I think it's easier if you have variety so you don't get tired of the food. It helps you keep on track rather than falling off because it's different and you're not getting bored and tired of the same food. So, variety, guys. Okay, guys, so just got back from the gym. And I'm gonna make dinner, which is going to be chicken alfredo with ramen noodles because I like ramen noodles. So, yeah. Let's go eat again. Yay. Okay guys, so that was the last meal I'll be cooking for this video. That was the last recipe for this video, and I hope you guys give it a try one of these days and let me know how y'all like it. Here are the macros for that meal. It's not that bad, not too heavy, but yeah. So it's almost the end of the video, guys, but I have one more little thing for you guys because I'm not done eating. Okay guys, so just showered and everything, but to end the night, carbs. I know some people say don't eat carbs after 6 or after 7 or after 5, but I'm a rebel. No, so like I was saying, I hit macros, and usually at the end of the night I am very low on carbs and fat, so finish it off with some goodies. But while I do that, I'm gonna play some PlayStation, a game called Neo. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish this up, and that'll be the video, guys. That's my full day of eating. That's like a typical day. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think. If you like the recipes or like the food, let me know if I should do more food, like recipes and stuff like that, because I love cooking and I love baking. So let me know down below.